Okay, so this is our first example. We're asked to write the nuclear equation for the alpha decay of americium 241. So first we look up on the periodic table and get the symbol for the americium. Right here we're given the mass number, so we're going to put the mass number up here, and we'll need to put the atomic number down here, which I picked up from the periodic table. If you look on the periodic table, the atomic number is on there. So this is going to break down into an alpha particle. An alpha particle is a helium nucleus. It has a mass of 4 and a charge of 2. It's 2 protons and 2 neutrons plus something else. We can look at the bottom here and we can say 95, which we get from the mass number of the americium, minus 2 gives us 93. So the new particle that's made is going to have a charge of 93. Then we can look up here. We've got 241 minus 4, and that's going to give us a mass number of 237. Okay. We can double check ourselves. 4 plus 237 is equal to 241. 2 plus 93 is equal to 95. Now, the last thing we need to do is look on the periodic table and see which element has an atomic number of 93. When we do that, it's neptunium. And we've written the nuclear equation for the alpha decay of americium.